2018 in Ghana was a slow year. We've had a new government 2 years ago, almost over 2 years ago, and they came in with a new vision, and they are working on fixing the macroeconomic problems that this country was facing. And in my opinion, they are doing a great job. And we can't wait to see the result of these decisions and strategies they are taking. Unfortunately, it's not unfortunate, it was expected. We knew with such a shift in policy, in economic policy, there will be a slowdown inside the country, because working on the macroeconomic level of a country is going to automatically, on the short run, is going to result in a slowdown in the economy, and it did in the real estate sector in Ghana. It always takes some time for the new policies on the macroeconomic level to reflect inside and to be seen and sent in the microeconomics. Which is also part of which the real estate sector is part of it. We are all hoping that early 2019 or end of 2018, we're going to start seeing a big change. And I suspect by mid or end 2019, we're going to see another real estate boom in Accra. You see, 4 or 5 years ago, there was a lot of supply in real estate, be it in the residential side or on the commercial side. We saw a lot of development that took place in Accra, which was great for the city, but it took time, which is normal, for it to be digested by the market. Today, you see big companies or big developers are in a wait and see situation. Okay. They are waiting to make sure that these new policies are going to reflect positively into the market so that they will engage in new projects. Meanwhile, the projects that were built during the past 4 or 5 years are being sold and rented, but on a slow pace. Therefore, we are very optimistic for the very near future. But for now, it's been in the past 6 months, 2 quarters, we have seen some action, if you want, in the real estate sector. We have new companies that are coming in looking for offices. Maybe not on the retail side yet. There was retail didn't pick up as it was supposed to. We saw not in my project, but we saw a lot of shopping malls that mushroomed around the city. And the result wasn't great, and I think Ghana had needed time for it to become a more sensitive regarding commercial and retail, mainly retail. A lot of big companies tried to come and open the big retail shops, but that didn't succeed. They have to go a bit on a slower pace. Now I think things stabilized, and they are looking on the real opportunities and the real market in Accra. What does it ask for, and what's the demand like exactly? In my business, in the project that we did in Accra Central here, the Octagon, we have mainly the offices and the showrooms. Showrooms, we got all corporate, all banks, insurance companies, so on. We didn't get retail companies that came. We didn't get clothing company. We didn't get accessories and so on, because people are still cautious regarding this kind of investment in the country. This is the situation today. Again, in the past 6 months, we saw that the market is starting to move again, because the beginning of the year was difficult. The first 2 quarters were difficult, and 2017 wasn't easy. But since let's say March or April of 2018, things started picking up. And I think the real jump and the real influx of demand and international companies and local companies taking more adventurous investments in the country will take place early 2019 and 2018, we hope.